So today we want to go to the Naya Digital to
ask about their costing system and report.
Okay, let's go. Hi guys, so we already arrived at Naya Digital
and we will interview them.
usaha ini menurut apa? Ya, kalau suka foto itu kan karena kan kalau anak kuliah pasti setiap hari ada tugas, ada disuruh ini itu segala macam. Jadi kalau untuk peluangnya sih pasti ada ya, karena kan tiap hari anak kuliah itu ada juga pasti ada. Kalau misalkan hambatannya sendiri nih, kira-kira selama ini kan pernah ngerasain hambatan apa aja sama bapak usaha ini? Misalkan kayak dari saing mungkin, mungkin ini pas lagi karyawan yang resign, itu kan cari lagi dan cari itu nggak bisa langsung bisa, itu harus buat dulu. Jadi kita yang banyak kerjanya. Berarti mereka juga ada trial gitu ya? Sebelumnya makasih banyak ya, maaf banget ganggu waktunya.
So, for this project-based learning in cost accounting, I, Salma Shakira Larasati, and Najwa Aulia Restrianda has analyzed Naya Digital, which is a small printing and stationery MSME or UMKM near our university, Universitas Lampung. So honestly, the process was quite smooth. The owner was really open and informative, so it was easy for us to collect data and understand how the business operates actually. We got to see how Naya Digital actually manages its cost for each order from materials and labor to overhead, which helped us understand how the job order costing method works in real life. For us personally, in our own opinion, the results of this PBL were really valuable. We didn't just learn the theory from the textbook itself, but we actually learned how cost accounting is applied in practice real life. It made us realize how important proper cost calculation is for small businesses or UMKM like Naya Digital, especially in setting the right prices and controlling expenses. Overall, this project gives us deeper understanding how cost accounting supports decision making and how it also improved our teamwork